Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we will talk about how you can fix, and sometimes if you are facing some issues with the Citrix workspace application. So many of the subscribers were saying that they are not able to see how they can restart the VDI if they are logged in, and they are not able to find out what they can do more troubleshooting if it is hanging or doing some more stuff. So this is the login page. You can log in, and after that simply see, this is the main page where you can see that the good morning message and the VDI is stating here. Okay, it should be power on. It means the workstation and the VDI whatever you are using, it is on power on state, and it is uh, you know able to take RDP. Now the second window I'm going to show you, that is the main page, is showing like this. So once you click on three dots, it is going to show some sort of steps that can be help you to do whatever you want. I mean, restart if you want to do restart, and if you want to shut it down, and if you want to force shut it down, and hibernate. But make sure before doing that, if you go for shutdown or a force shutdown, these two, I mean, hibernate as well, these options will want give more handy things to do anything, because then you need to contact Citrix help desk team. Then the admins can help you out to fix these kind of things. Okay, so if your VDI is running slow or doing some more stuff like freezing, or you are getting some slowness, so you just prefer restart only, not more than that. This is the only best option that you can prefer. And if you are having any particular application related issues or anything, then you can simply open help desk request according to your organizational uh, team verticals. Okay, so that is the main thing that you can do that. And I most of the time I saw that there is not much issues on the Citrix side. And if you still face, then you can probably check your internet connections by pinging the statement like cmd, type that, and simply ping like ping google.com. Okay, minus t, so it is going to ping for a lot of time. And here you can see the ping time should be simple. I mean, it should not break down or something, or the it should not show very long delay. Okay, that's the main reason you can figure out. So I was just talking about these things, and you can simply say yes, I can able to troubleshoot. And if you still face any issues, just ping me on the video. I will definitely help you out and troubleshoot the issue. Okay, thank you.